Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 12:30 in Honolulu, 6:30 in New York on Tuesday, 24th day of October 2023, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Over the last couple of days, we have seen a definitive waning of the strength of the upward trend that was so prevalent in gold after Hamas attacked Israel on Saturday, October the 9th. What we've seen over the last couple of days have been small body sizes with lower lows and lower highs. It is today's lower low that concerns us the most. Gold traded to a low today of $1,964.60. We had our stop at $1,965, effectively knocking us out. We did take some profits on that trade. We went long December gold at $1,962. We were stopped out at $1,965 for a profit of $300 per COMEX contract. Although we have seen some weakness in the market itself over the last few days, I believe that major resistance is still above $2,000 per ounce at around 2025. It is based upon these series of tops. They came in about mid-July. In terms of support, well, support was right around where we had our stop, and that was based upon this top and this top here. I remain extremely bullish, both interim and long-term, on gold. However, I do want to factor in the reports coming out on Thursday and Friday, because that additional information will give us insights as to what the Fed plans to do with interest rates in December as well as next year. This is a Heikin Ashi chart that we've converted from our daily candlestick chart, and as you can see, body size has waned. Color is still green. We haven't seen a sign of a definitive pivot, because the last step of a pivot is a color change, like here from red to green, red to green, which means that the only thing we can discern with an extreme amount of confidence is recent activity is indicating market consolidation. The dollar had a very strong gain today, gaining 0.7%, currently fixed at 106.08. When we take a look at this recent rally, we can definitely see a shift in a market moving upward to a market becoming range bound, and that occurred roughly at the beginning of October after making these highs here, and this low here also matches this low. When we convert this to a Heikin Ashi to get a definitive determination of trend, because of the alternating colors and compressing or smaller body sizes, it tells us that the dollar is also consolidating and, even more importantly, has become range bound. Lastly, I do want to take a look at silver today. Silver from the beginning of October moved from approximately $20.80 up well above $23 per ounce. Recently, just as we've witnessed in gold and the dollar, very small bodies, very long tails on both. It is when we convert it to a Heikin Ashi that we get a clearer indication of what might happen. You notice we have seen the pivot from green to red, which could certainly be the first indication of a potential sell-off or small correction in silver. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.